Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the perfect 20-minute makeup routine using only a few products, not that much, and yeah, it literally only takes 20 minutes, and it is so good for school, for dinners, literally any event that you can think of, it is good for. All the products that I'm using are from Sephora, and I'll link them in the description. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so first I start with primer. There are a few different primers that I use, but my favorite is this one. It is the Benefit Pore Primer. This one is so good. So I just rub it all over my face, and it makes my face super clear, like a canvas for all the makeup that I put on. Okay, then for my base, I use the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter in the shade 2.5. And this one is so good. It makes your skin so glowy. So I just put this one all over my face like this, and then I just blend it in. And I always use a wet beauty blender because that makes it so much easier to blend. Okay, then for concealer, I use the Hourglass Concealer in the shade Ecru 3.3. This concealer is so good. It has such good coverage and it blends so well. I love this one, and it also has a super wide like shade range. So I only put my concealer under my eyes, but if I have like a pimple or something, I will put it over top of the pimple. Okay, now that I've let it sit, I'm just gonna blend it. And look at that, guys. It's not that visible on camera, but it is actually so good in real life. Okay, now you can probably see better, but look at that coverage. Okay, next I do contour, and I use the Makeup by Mario one in the shade Light Medium. This stuff is so good. I actually love it so much. It's so easy to blend, and it's just such a nice like color. So I put it here on my forehead, here like by my eyes, and then here on my chin. And then for nose contour, I put it on the sides of my nose like this, and then also across the middle of it. Okay, and here's what it looks like all blended. Again, I don't have like a great camera, so it doesn't look that good on camera, but it looks really good in real life. Okay, then I do blush, and for that one I use the Glow Recipe blush drops in the shade Watermelon Glow. Again, I blend this one with a beauty blender too. I've tried so many blushes, but this one is just the best. Okay, so I put it here on like the tops of my cheeks, and honestly, you don't have to use that much. This blush is pretty pigmented. You maybe have to use like 2 layers of it, but that's about it. I mean, like 1 layer is honestly fine, but I just like to go in with 2. And I like how this one is very warm toned, and it blends so nicely. I don't know, I just love this stuff. And then I take the beauty blender, and then I go on my nose like that, so that the excess goes just on my nose. Then I do highlighter, and for that I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Iced Out Highlighter. This stuff is so good. It's such a pretty color. Ignore how mine is like broken, but yeah. And then I just put it here on the tip of my nose, and then on the bridge of my nose like this, and then I put it on my inner corners. I just use my finger for all of this, by the way. Then I do setting spray. I use the One Size Until Dawn setting spray. This stuff is so good. It makes your makeup last literally all day, all night. Like, it's so good. And it's waterproof too, which is great. Once my makeup is all set, now it is time to do my lashes. I use the Shiseido Lash Curler. It's $30, but it's a really good lash curler. Let me just show you guys. Okay guys, literally this is no mascara on this eye, okay? Before and after. Look how good that lash curler is. And the curls actually last. They're so good. And if you don't have this good lash curler, you can just use a normal lash curler and then heat it up under hot water to make the curls a lot better. Okay, so my lashes are all curled. I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills mascara, the Lash Sculpt one. This stuff is so good, but you have to kind of use it sparingly, or else it's gonna make your lashes like really big and really clumpy, and they're gonna fall down. So what I do is I just put it on the top tops of my lashes like this, and then that's it. I just go like that. And this stuff, it's so good, but if you do it on the base of your lashes, it's gonna make the curls fall out. So I just put it on the top like this, and then this is how my lashes look. Okay, that's what it's looking like for the top lashes. And this one, like, it has a lot of product on the applicator, so if I put it on my under eyes, it's gonna go like onto my skin. So I use the Glossier Lash Slick mascara, and this stuff is so good if you don't want like anything on your lashes. It's like honestly not that good, but it's like good for bottom lashes because like you can touch it to your skin as much as you want and it's not gonna get on your skin, but there's still enough product that it's gonna get on your bottom lashes. Okay, and then I will put on a lip gloss. This one doesn't really matter. I just use a bunch of different lip glosses, so yeah, doesn't really matter what lip gloss you use. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next one.